approach the microphone because I ain't no Joe.
My mic sounds nice. See, when I grab the mic, we become one. Like melted wax being molded, we become one. And while sensitive in my palm, I vow to protect her with a firm grip. Tight-fisted so she won't slip, and not too far from my lip, you see. She loves the vibration of my voice, and the way she feels in my hand, the way she adheres to my every command. It's like, damn, my mic is like my personal freak, because she's always down for a one-night stand. See, she has become that tool that's essential for me to express my mental. When at first it was a pad and a pencil, but when I met her, she convinced me that I would sound so much better over guitar instrumentals. See, my mic is beautiful like my Nubian sister with pretty brown eyes and dimples.
Listen to my mic, it sounds nice.
My mic sounds nice.
Listen to my mic, it sounds nice.
And together we capture that undivided attention by spitting metaphors and similes, theses and hypotheses, even philosophize like Socrates about love, life, and liberty with the wisdom and knowledge and understanding that I'm just a vessel and it's my God that speaks through me, spiritually. So in return, I give it to you through this mic unconditionally. See, it soothes me like therapy. With this mic, I'm like Picasso using words to paint a vivid picture with a mixture of ghetto hymns and hood scriptures. Give you something that you can relate to that might touch your soul and uplift you. You know that feeling that makes you want to stand up and clap. Cause with this microphone, do that, do that.
It feels good to me.
My mic sounds nice. See, it's important that I use this mic like Malcolm by any means necessary. I like Obama because I believe in a change. Or even like Dr. King because I too have a dream. See, I love this microphone like a junkie loves dope. So I guess that makes me a microphone fiend. And the sweetest thing I ever known was the first time I clutched the microphone. See, it gave me a thrill that chilled the deepest crevices of my bones. Opened me up to a whole new realm of verbal expression. She was a gift and a blessing. Turned the hobby into an obsession. So this is just not a poem, this is like a lyrical confession. About how we fit, like needle and thread to make that perfect stitch. And I know that I was born to spit, cause I'm not afraid to admit that every microphone I ever touched, I fell in love with. And she forgives me. We share that rare type of intimacy, a special bond of kinetic energy that is so appealing to me. Shot of adrenaline through me, got me feeling like that good shit that we every time. Anytime I wanna elevate my mind, create and formulate a line, I grab the microphone and she say, shine, black man, shine. But God has given you this light, so let it shine like the sun. And in return, I told her I would rock her forever. And now we are one, bound together by rhythm and life.